Hello, students. Welcome to Reader's Workshop. In our new unit, where we are being real word detectives and looking at words from tip to tail, we started learning about common word endings like ing, ed, ers, and es. Yesterday, we zoomed in on ed ending. Today, we are going to zoom in on S and ES ending. S and ES ending can sound like S, Z, and is, right? It can sound three different ways, just like ED ending. And S and ES ending are used both for objects to make something more than one or plural. They're also used for action words or verbs, and we'll learn more about that later. But for today, I want to focus on how they can sound like s, z, and is. So let's start off with a little writing. I did some fun little writing about teaching, about me teaching, about myself. So there I am doing some work, maybe teaching a lesson or writing some lesson plans. Oh, here I am maybe teaching a lesson at my easel, and there I am going to school. So let's read about Mrs. Kilmer. Here we go. Mrs. Kilmer teaches school. She writes lesson plans. She does mini lessons and goes to school. So I just read right through that, but let's go back and find the words with ES or S ending. Mrs. Kilmer teaches, okay, I'm going to highlight that, teaches school. Now, is that making s, z, or is? Teaches, right. Teaches makes is, sounds like is ending, okay? Mrs. Kilmer teaches school. She writes lesson plans, writes. Oh, there's es ending, and it's making what sound? It's making s sound, like in helps. Writes, okay? She writes lesson plans. Ooh, there's S ending. There's an S ending. There's an S ending that's making what sound? Is it making S sound? Plans. Z. Oh, no, that's making Z sound. Z. Plans. Okay, let's keep going. She does, there's ES, does, oh, so that's Z sound. She does mini lessons. Oh, there's an S making Z sound. She does mini lessons and goes, oh, there's ES. ES making Z sound and goes to school. Wow, look at all the ES and S in that. And sounding all different ways, right? Sounding like S, Z, and is, right? So what we're going to do now is that fun game. Just like we did yesterday, we're going to sort. We're going to sort some words. We're going to sort them by, do they sound like S? Do they sound like Z? Or do they sound like it is, right? So like this is helps, s, s, goes, teaches, is, right? Teach, teaches. Okay, here we go. Here's the first word. Can you read it? Pencils. Pencil, pencils. Pencils. What's the ending sound? Z, right? That just goes right there. Here's the next one. What does it say? Glasses. Glasses. Is. Their ES ending is going is. Is. Glasses. Let's look at another one. What's that? Goats. Right, like more than one goat. Goats. S, s. What's the ending sound? S. Did you say s? I hope so. Here's the next word. Ooh, this is from our new book. Lions. Right, lions. Z, z. What's the ending sound? Z. Okay, that goes right there. Here's the next one. Not one dish, but a bunch of dishes. Dishes is. What's the ending sound? Did you say is? I hope so. Here's another one. Let's see. Walks. Walks. What's the ending sound? Walks. S, s, s. Goes right over there. Okay. Feels. Feels. Z, z. Feels. Did you hear the z sound at the end? Feels. So notice so far we have S, S, and ES, but they can sound these three different ways, right? Let's keep going. Kisses. Isn't that very nice? Kisses. Kisses. One kiss. More than one is. Kisses. Is. Where does that go? I hope you thought over here with IZ. Let's do another one. Jumps. Jumps. S, s, s. S ending. Here we go. Just a few more. Pups. I'm thinking of Lemon Shark pups, like from our other book. Pups. S, s. What ending? S. You got it. The next one is splashes. Splashes. Is. Did you hear the is at the end? And finally, let's see. Does. That's a bit of a hard word, but it does have ES ending, does, like goes, does, and it's making Z sound. I actually have three more. I wonder if we can fit them in, if we can still see them. Here we go. Buses. Not one bus, but many buses. Is. Do you hear the is, the IZ? Okay, and this one, trees, more than one tree, are trees, z, with z ending. And finally, cats, cats, s, more than one cat, cats, and it makes a nice soft S ending. Okay, so that's the game. Time to enjoy our new book about lions. Give me just a minute and I'll get it ready for us. Let's get back to lions. Z. Oh, z ending, right? Okay, so remember, we always want to review a little when we come back to a book. Lions. Z. Oh, there's S making Z sound. We went through the table of contents. Oh, and I'm noticing again, what am I? How a lot of these books start with like a little bit of a riddle and questions to get you kind of excited about the book. And then big cats, we read that. So I think we're ready for lion around. Wait a minute. Lion around. I wonder if they mean like the lion sleeps a lot, like it's lying around. Let's go see. Okay, this was the riddle. We already read what am I? We read about big cats and how heavy they are, remember? So here we are. Okay, I think, oh, there's a, ooh, look, a label, mane. I'm even remembering from the other lion book, this must be about how males have a mane and females do not. Remember, we read about that in a student book recently. All lions, oh, there's S making Z sound. All lions are big, but they don't all look the same. Male lions, ooh, S making Z sound, have a mane. Okay. Female lions, there's S making Z sound, don't have a mane. They are also smaller than males. Oh, there's S making Z sound also. Okay, let's go on. Here's that funny chapter. Lion around. Is he relaxing? Let's see. So this is showing him in that grassy area. Wow, there's a map. There's something mane with a little mane drawing, and there's maybe a female. Let's start reading. Most lions, oh, there's S making Z sound, live on the savanna. Ooh, this is showing how that's pronounced. Savanna. So you give the middle sound some oomph. Savanna in Africa. It is very hot and dry there. Okay, so here's a map showing the continent of Africa. And here's a key. Wow, just like a key word, here's a key to unlock our understanding of the map. It says this tan area is approximate lion range. So that's where lions live in Africa. And this little thing is called a scale. It's showing us how big, how long the distances on the map are. Wow, and then up here, look at this. Main word. Savanna, a grassy area with few trees that gets, there's an S ending with S sound, very little rain. And look, main word, like a lion mane? Oh, that's funny. They're making a joke on words. They mean main like the most important words, the main words. Hold on a sec. So remember how in our shark book, when there was an important word that they wanted to explain, off in the corner they had word bites, right? And bites was like a joke on words. It was like it was a little tiny bit or bite of a word. Plus, bites makes a connection to the fact that sharks can bite you, right? Well, look at this funny joke they're making. Main word, so they're showing a little cartoon lion with his mane, but what they really mean is it's a main word. It's a really important word to learn, savanna. Isn't that fun? Okay, let's keep going. She's resting in a tree. Let's see. Lions need, there's S making Z sound. Lions need to rest to stay cool. They lie in the shade. They also climb trees to find a breeze. Oh, look, trees. Z, there's S making Z sound. Okay, that's all we have time for today. But I want you to remember when you are reading today to keep an eye out for S and ES ending. And is it sounding like S, Z, or is? Off to your reading.